Hey everybody, want to sell internationally and make your store feel local in every language? In this quick Cartmonk tutorial, I'll show you how to translate your Shopify store into multiple languages using both free and paid options step by step. Let's make your store global without touching a single line of code. First is to use Shopify's built-in translations. This you can do by logging into Shopify admin first. So I've just done that step, after which you will have to go to your settings. Shopify supports multiple languages natively, but you'll need to enable them first. So that's what we're going to do. So to do this, let me just take you to the settings tab. From the settings, all you have to do is choose languages. And once you go there, you can simply click on add a language. You can now see that the published language is as of now English, which is the default language of the site. Now let's try adding a language by clicking on this add language button. Once you click on this add language, you may have to choose the language you want. So let's say I'm just trying to translate this to Romanian. So let's just enter Romanian here. You'll have a notice about the translation stuff. After reading it thoroughly, click on next and then click on open. Let me just select Hebrew for it. So once you select your language, you will have to simply click on this enable button and click done. Now you'll be able to see that there are two unpublished languages. I've tried translating it to Romanian and Hebrew. This is not associated to any domain, but this is right now done, right? Now all you have to do is, after you've seen that the newly added language is listed here in the unpublished languages, you'll have to find this translate option. Click on translate, and from the drop down you'll be able to click on translate and adapt, or click on that and you'll be able to get here. With this screen, you can also auto translate your product titles, descriptions, collections, pages, and even checkout content. It's all listed here, so don't worry about it. All you have to do is click on this auto translate button, and you're ready. Click on this translate button as well. Now you can see that the translation has begun. It may take a while for the entire store to be translated, because sometimes when you have larger stores, it will take several hours. So don't worry about leaving or exiting this page, because that's not going to affect the translation, right? So let's just get back and do the translation for the next available language, which is Romanian. You can notice that Romanian, the first language that we try to translate the store to, does not have any domain assigned yet. So let's just do that step. I'm just going to click on this ellipsis button and assign this particular thing to a domain, right? So now that the language is assigned to a domain, you'll be able to translate and adapt. So click on this drop down and then use translate and adapt option. Now here you can also go ahead and click on this auto translate button once your Hebrew translation is over. You can get two languages auto translated for free. For more, you can either translate manually or explore other paid options. Plus, if you want full control, you can also manually edit translations for any part of your store right inside the Translate and Adapt app itself. So here you have various sections that you can translate them to. And yes, Shopify also creates language-specific URLs for French or any language that you've selected, which helps with SEO in international search engines. So don't worry about all that. Next, option 3 would be to use a paid translation app. So if you need advanced features like auto detection of visitors language, deep translation, or extra languages, you can go ahead and check some top rated apps which you can try. I'm just going to give you a quick overview with the logo and features. The first one we've got is Wegler, because this is easy to set up, supports 100 plus languages, and it's SEO friendly. Next in line, we have Langify. This is great for manual control and no coding required. Or you can also use Google Translate. So these two apps, they come with monthly pricing. They also have a free plan if you want to try and check how things work. But they can save time if you're scaling. Well, once the translation is complete, you can simply head back to your store and switch between the different languages using the language selector. Please make sure the content looks natural and nothing breaks layout wise, especially on mobile. So check preview on both mobile and desktop versions. And that's it. You've now made your Shopify store accessible to a global audience. Like this video if it helped, and for more Shopify hacks. I'll see you in the next video.